Let's take a look at problem number 5. They want us to find the derivative of the following function. Here, this is a rational function. It's the quotient of two polynomials. And in order to take the derivative of this function, we need to use the quotient rule. The quotient rule says you take the derivative of the numerator. The derivative of the numerator is going to be 2x plus 1. You multiply that to the denominator, x squared minus 1. And then subtract the numerator, that's x squared plus x minus 1, times the derivative of the denominator, times 2x. And the full answer goes all over the original denominator squared. So that's the quotient rule. Derivative of the top times the bottom, minus the top times the derivative of the bottom, all over the bottom squared. And now that we're here, the only thing we have to do is just try to simplify this. We have f prime of x is equal to, in the numerator, if I expand or distribute this left-hand term, 2x times x squared would give us a 2x cubed. 2x times negative 1 is a negative 2x. 1 times x squared is x squared. And 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. For the second term, I can kind of think of this as like a negative 2x distributing into this parenthesis. Let's think of it like that. Negative 2x times x squared is a negative 2x cubed. Negative 2x times x is a negative 2x squared. And negative 2x times a negative 1 should give us a positive 2x. And this is all over x squared minus 1 squared. Sticking with the numerator, we want to try to simplify this as much as we can. I see a positive 2x and a negative 2x, which will cancel. We also have a negative 2x and a positive 2x will cancel. And then after that, we just got to combine our like terms. We have f prime of x is equal to x squared and negative 2x squared will make a negative 1x squared minus 1 all over x squared minus 1 squared. And it turns out that this is going to be our final answer. You should try to see if maybe you can factor the numerator. First of all, there's a common factor of a negative 1 you can pull out. That leaves us with x squared plus 1, which is a sum of squares which will not factor. And in the denominator, we have x squared minus 1 quantity squared, which is two entirely different factors. So that's as good as it gets. We can't reduce it anymore. This is our final answer. The derivative is negative quantity x squared plus 1 all over x squared minus 1 quantity squared.